Safety on the roads in Ghana has become a public concern in recent times. And this brings into focus the importance of vehicle testing and inspection services. A name that is fast dominating the vehicle testing industry in Ghana is Elie Company Limited, ECL. ECL was established in April 2014 and licensed by Driver and Vehicle Licensing Authority, DVLA, to provide equipment-based vehicle testing. To achieve its objectives, the company has acquired the state-of-the-art equipment from a leading name in Europe, BM Autoteknik of Denmark.
ECL, we are a vehicle testing and inspection station. We've been licensed by the Driver Vehicle Licensing Authority to inspect both private and commercial vehicles for the issuance of roadworthy certificates and first registration certificates.
BM Autoteknik's revolutionary inspection and testing equipment and technology are giving ECL the edge in vehicle testing in Africa. ECL operates 14 vehicle testing bays. The 14 bays consists of 2 motorcycle bays, 6 SUV, saloon car and commercial vehicle bays, 3 universal heavy-duty vehicle testing and inspection bays, and 3 tank calibration lanes. This allows the company to have a high turnaround in number of vehicles serviced. The service is fully automated, which ensures superior quality assurance and consistency in vehicle testing and inspection processes. The testing bays are equipped with BM FlexCheck IT system.
The BM FlexCheck enables data information flow as well as printouts related to every vehicle inspection. This device, the smart device, we call it the Personal Digital Assistant, also known as the PDA. What this does is, it enables the inspector to select any lane within the 9 lanes in our premises. It also comes with 2 connectivities, the Bluetooth connectivity and the Wi-Fi connectivity. The PDA enables the inspector to command and operate the machines on the ground, as well as the Wi-Fi enables the data from the equipment to be transferred onto the PC for report printing. This connectivity and the capability of the PDA eliminates any human interference with our reports.
The testing bays are also equipped with roller brake tester.
One unique thing about the brake tester is it comes with an IP camera. The IP camera captures the vehicle image during inspection procedure, and this unique feature enables security and authentication in our report printouts.
Wheel play detector, suspension tester, side slip tester, speedometer tester, combined emission tester, headlight tester, and pit fitted with jack for physical inspection. As Ghana's oil and petroleum industry develops, ECL has positioned itself to provide testing services to this sector.
We've also been licensed by the National Petroleum Authority, or NPA for short, to perform bulk road vehicle inspection, which is a biannual inspection, and then also underground storage tank cleaning for the filling stations, and then tank calibrations.
ECL has been licensed by the National Petroleum Authority (NPA) to inspect and perform equipment-based examination of bulk road vehicles for the preloading, safety and roadworthiness certification for haulage of petroleum products.
Any vehicle that visits the facility over here, we carried out an emission test to check or to know the content of the hydrocarbon particles that are coming out from the burning of the fuel from the engine, and we advise on emission results. If there is a brake binding, ovality, out of balance, the system will take care of all this, and it will be sending a report or the data generated from this test into our database. So this test is free from human interference. The system, the equipment will determine the pass or fail of the vehicle at the end of every inspection.
The company also undertakes bulk tank calibration and mechanical tank cleaning services.
When it comes to tank calibration as well, we have a state-of-the-art infrared three-dimensional scanner that we use in scanning the inside of the bulk to get the right results and the accurate results as well.
Over here we have a combined emission analyzer. This is used to check the opacity of internal combustion engine that visit the facility over here. We use this to check for the petrol engine, diesel engine, LNG, CNG, and any other internal combustion engine running on a liquefied petroleum fuel. And also over here we have OBD system built in over here. This is the first of its kind from BM Autoteknik. This OBD system takes care of the newer version of motor vehicles, any kind of motor vehicle to the newest design of technology. This system will take care of it to analyze the true spot of emission standards when the vehicle visits the facility for emission testing, so that we can know the actual true spot of emission that are generated by burning of the fuel. And the system will advise you if your hydrocarbons is too much, the carbon monoxide level is too much, and then the nitrogen oxide is also too excessive. So this system is unique as compared to the other stationary system where you can only connect it to the vehicle, where the vehicle is stationary and under idling stroke or idling mixture.
The purpose of tank calibration is to ascertain, among other things, the volumetric capacity of a tank. The method by which our calibration is performed is by using the laser scanning device, which scans the entire interior of the tank. In this case, the use of water is not required. Firstly, a degassing device is used to remove any dangerous gases in the tank that can result in an accident, example, explosion. Secondly, an explosive meter is used to double-check the presence of dangerous hydrocarbon gases in the tank to ensure absolute safety. The laser scanner is then placed above the tank in a position that will enable the scanner to have a 360 degrees dimensional scan of the tank. Result of the scan is then printed for analysis. ECL is located in Tema at exactly 1 kilometer after the bomb police barrier on the Tema Aflao Road. With its location in Tema, which is the harbor city where most vehicles are cleared from the port, ECL serves as the gateway for swift and convenient vehicle registration for Ghana. ECL's workforce are trained to the highest standards. They undertake regular refreshment courses to bring them at par with latest standards and procedures. ECL, the leading name in vehicle testing, exists out of the passion to keep clients safe on the road. With highly skilled staff and superior vehicle inspection and testing equipment, we remain your #1 name in vehicle testing. ECL is firmly committed to a policy enabling all work activities to be carried out safely and with all possible measures taken to remove or at least reduce risks to the health, safety and welfare of workers, contractors, authorized visitors and anyone else who may be affected by our operations. The company is committed to ensuring our staff comply with work, health and safety standards as far as possible.
In the future, we have a lot of plans lined up for other services that are up and coming. We've lined up services such as a driver training facility, whereby we are going to employ state-of-the-art equipment like simulators for drivers to come and have a feel of how the real world is when driving a big truck. It is a much better experience than just sitting in class and being taught how to drive a heavy-duty equipment or heavy-duty truck. You're going to have a real-life experience whereby these simulators can be programmed into any situation, and the driver will be asked to sit in and see how he will react should that situation or should that incident occur. So there are a lot of plans we have for our facility here at ECL to make sure that it's a one-stop shop place for any vehicle or any driver who comes here for any inspection purposes to go through and make sure it's for us to ensure that the safety of that person is ensured, and also the fact that quality service is delivered to our client.
ECL, we are quick, efficient, and convenient.